Hi, so we have spell blocks here. I'm going through, which is a spelling game. I am on the Earth module. It's taken me a little while to get to that one. This is a magical spelling game which helps concentration, spelling, crossing the left-right brain line. The purpose of this game is to get better at your spelling. As you can see here, it has a couple of words with the spelling. There's these living skulls, and you have to use the keys to navigate the game. So the letters move, the blocks move in tandem. You can collect points, but basically you just have to move your blocks around until you can spell the words. This helps, I believe, students who struggle to interact with spelling. You know, they think it's boring or it's not for them. This is a good way to be interactive. You get 3 lives to go along. If you get eaten by one of the skull things, you lose a life, I should say. The quests get harder and harder as you go through. When I first started, it was very basic, very easy. Students get new knowledge, new words, sounds, and spelling, how to maneuver using the keys. Oh, I just lost a life. It's fine motor skills. It's a serious game, but it's fun and interactive. I really enjoyed playing this. I thought it was really easy to start with, but I've died quite a few times playing, so I'll keep working on that. And yeah, this is my serious game. Spell blocks on the ABC Education website. Thanks.